My dear students, boys and girls, and my viewers of this channel and my close friends, now we will going to explain the measurement of water. You may know, or someone may not be, because it is coming into force. As you know, that is one cubic, and the unit is measuring of the water in the dams. There is the one is cubic, and the second one is TMC. That is the units of the two major measurement of the water. How they will, that means the particular that section of the water and the irrigation department. So, what is a cubic? Cubic may be defined as 1 cubic foot flowing of water per 1 second stored in the dams. 1 cubic foot of water per 1 second, cubic feet, length, width, height. This is called the 1 unit of water, and this is approximately 28.31 liters per 1 cubic foot per 1 second. So, this is maybe measured 28 liters, 1 cubic foot for 1 second. 1 second flow. It is calculating like that. So, the second one is what is a TMC. So, TMC may be defined. It is a higher capacity of the unit. So, that is, what is a TMC? TMC means 1000 million cubic feet of flowing of water stored. That is 1000 million cubic feet. That is equal to 100 crores cubic feet. It may be, we can say, it is equal to 10 to the power of 9. So, that is 1 TMC. So, the full form is 1000 million cubic feet. Million cubic feet. So, that comes under the TMC. So, continuation of this one. This is in terms of water of height and width of the 1000 feet, each with a length of 1000 feet. And in addition to this, 1 TMC flowing water, 11,754 cubics for 1 day, means 24 hours. That is equal to, for 1 day, the calculation like that. So, this is approximately estimated. It is calculated by the experts of the engineers in the irrigation department and the dam who have built, and at that time they have calculated and they came to know the units of the water stored in the dams. The stored water is equivalent approximately. In other words, we can say 22,956 acres of land to depth 1 foot. So, 1 foot depth if we calculate 22,956 acres, that is called 1 TMC. That is in other, that means we can measure in the form of the, suppose we want to say in terms of the acres of the land, so it is 22,956 acres of land to depth 1 foot. So like this is one of the important and measurement of calculating the water of the dams. There is one small proverb is given: we can buy or steal the big book, but not knowledge. That is, it is not the knowledge is we can't purchase, or only we can buy or steal the book. We can buy or we can steal anything, but not our knowledge. This is one of the very good proverb. So I want to say one thing, when I have forgotten in the last episode. When they have YouTube authority, I will thankful to them. I have already started this program. Program means this episodes. It is already I have get it ready of the some 3-4 pages of the general knowledge, and I will try to continue the other general knowledge questions, answers in Kannada and English. They have already suggested me to continue the quiz questions. So I will once again say thank you. Okay, thank you to the YouTube authority. Thank you very much. Bye bye.